In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can recover recently deleted reels on Instagram. Now, you wanna open your Instagram account, of course, and then you wanna click your profile at the very bottom right. Now, let me delete an Instagram reel, and then I'm gonna be showing you how you can get it back easily in a few seconds. Now, I'm going to click on this. Hi guys. I'm going to delete it right now. Trace the dots, and then I'm going to click delete. Now, how you can get the reel? Now, as you can see here, the reel has been deleted from my Instagram. Now, it's not actually deleted. You can still get it back by following these simple steps. You just want to click on three little lions in the top right, and then a few different options will come up here. You want to click on your activity. Now, the second you click on your activity, you want to scroll down a little bit, and you can see here at the very bottom it says here recently deleted. That means recently deleted posts, reels, anything. Click on it, and then you want to click on where it says reels, and here you will find all your recently deleted reels. But keep in mind that it says here only you can see these reels, and you will be permanently deleted after the number of days shown. After that, you won't be able to restore them. As you can see, it says here 30 days. Now, if the reel, if you have deleted the reel of like it's been more than 30 days, then you won't find it here. Just keep watching. I'm going to be showing how you can do that. Now, you want to click on the reel, and probably okay. And after you click on it, guys, you want to click on these three little dots at the very bottom right, and then you want to click on restore. Click again on restore, and it will be restored to your it will be restored to your account. Now, what if you have deleted it and it's been more than 30 days? Now, you want to go to the lines in the top right, but please drop a like before I can show you this. Please drop a like and click on click settings and help, and click on report a problem, and click on report a problem without shaking, include and continue, and here explain to the Instagram that you want to get back deleted reel that you have deleted for more than 30 days. Explain to them that here, and click send, and probably they will be able to help you. So that's exactly the only solution, guys, you can do to get back reels that you have deleted for more than 30 days. If this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next.